The James Webb Telescope has just dispatched a shocking message that has left all NASA scientists silent. The biggest optical telescope in space has been gazing at distinctive components of our giant universe for years, revealing diverse phenomena. But the recent photo has sent a wave through the arena of technological know-how and astronomy. What terrifying photo has the James Webb Telescope captured? Could it have photographed an alien space in the far reaches of space? Join us as we explore the terrifying new images that the James Webb Telescope has just discovered, images we've never witnessed before. If you're inquisitive about keeping updated with information from the universe and its surroundings, subscribe to our channel, make sure to like this video, and switch on notifications. NASA's $10 billion James Webb Space Telescope was launched from the European spaceport in French Guiana. Once it arrived at its new cosmic home, this infrared observatory has provided beautiful views of the cosmos to scientists and astronomers. As the largest and most advanced space telescope to date, scientists have been thrilled to see the first scientific images captured by the telescope. But what they saw almost left them petrified. When the James Webb turned its instruments toward the iconic pillars of creation, it captured the well-known dust clouds in tremendous detail. These pillars are located in the constellation Serpens, about 7,000 light-years away from Earth. The pillars of creation are part of the Eagle Nebula, large clouds of gas and dust that were first photographed by the Hubble Space Telescope in 1995. Since then, the wonderful beauty of the pillars has been revealed. The new image captured by the James Webb Space Telescope reveals the pillars of creation in even more detail. Numerous stars are visible that were not visible in the previous photo captured by Hubble, some of which formed just a few 100,000 years ago. This represents a terrific scientific breakthrough. The James Webb Space Telescope has also scanned the so-called Pandora cluster in a stunning photo. Taking its cue from Greek mythology, Pandora cluster is a place anticipated by Albert Einstein in 1915. These new images perplex scientists as they reveal details they were ignorant of in this location of space. But it's critical to note that this region of space has a formal name called AEL 2744, which is part of the Pandora cluster. This cluster houses a variety of wonderful structures within it. What's captivating about this photograph is that it has been found before, but only the central core of space has been studied by the Hubble Space Telescope. This implies that many extensive secrets remain to be discovered in this exciting place of space. Until the James Webb directed its powerful infrared device into the location to observe the Pandora cluster, the watching crew employed the huge telescope's near-infrared spectrograph and near-infrared camera as part of the deep observation program prior to the ionization epoch. Snapshots were taken and then combined into a panoramic photo. This panoramic photo revealed approximately 5,000 infrared light sources in the Pandora cluster, which is about 3.5 billion light-years away. The photograph captured by the James Webb Telescope achieved an astonishing balance between depth and breadth that can change our perception of galactic evolution. A highlight of the image is a bright foreground star in the Milky Way, whose unique diffraction peaks were produced by the James Webb Space Telescope. Also visible are bright sources of white light surrounded by a hazy glow, similar to much more distant galaxies in the Pandora cluster. Although human advanced technology is crucial to the observation of this galaxy cluster, astronomers also relied on a natural phenomenon proposed by Albert Einstein in his theory of gravity, known as general relativity, published in 1915. Further to captivating discoveries that excite scientists and astronomers, the James Webb Telescope has captured peculiar space phenomena that even scientists cannot fully explain. One such enigma is the mysterious concentric rings discovered around a star which have yet to be fully understood by astronomers. The photo was published on Twitter by a citizen scientist, generating a torrent of comments and debate among the user community. The photo showed a star called WR-140 surrounded by regular wave-like circles that progressively dwindled away. What was striking, however, was that the circles were not perfectly round but had a square-like appearance. This immediately gave rise to theories about a possible extraterrestrial origin. However, some scientists argued that it was simply nature performing something that seemed impossible when viewed from a single point of view. Sometimes natural phenomena may seem extraordinary from certain perspectives but have simple explanations. However, questions remain. Why do they have that particular shape and why are they so regular? These questions have troubled scientists like Dr. Smith, who was not the only one concerned about this puzzling picture. Mark, an interdisciplinary scientist with the JWST Science Working Group and a science advisor to the European Space Agency, called it weird in a Twitter thread. He explained that the pointed blue structure is an artifact caused by optical diffraction from the bright star WR-140 in the image. However, he noted that the red curvature is real and represents a collection of shells around WR-140 in space. Despite the fascinating discoveries that excite scientists and astronomers, the James Webb Telescope has captured peculiar space phenomena that even scientists cannot fully explain. One such enigma is the mysterious concentric rings discovered around a star which have yet to be fully understood by astronomers. The photo was published on Twitter by a citizen scientist, generating a torrent of comments and debate among the user community. The photo showed a star called WR-140 surrounded by regular wave-like circles that progressively dwindled away. What was striking, however, was that the circles were not perfectly round but had a square-like appearance. This immediately gave rise to theories about a possible extraterrestrial origin. However, some scientists argued that it was simply nature performing something that seemed impossible when viewed from a single point of view. Sometimes natural phenomena may seem extraordinary from certain perspectives but have simple explanations. However, questions remain. Why do they have that particular shape and why are they so regular? These questions have troubled scientists like Dr. Smith, who was not the only one concerned about this puzzling picture. Mark, an interdisciplinary scientist with the JWST Science Working Group and a science advisor to the European Space Agency, called it weird in a Twitter thread. He explained that the pointed blue structure is an artifact caused by optical diffraction from the bright star WR-140 in the image. However, he noted that the red curvature is real and represents a collection of shells around WR-140 in space. Although NASA is expected to make an announcement soon, in general, young stars tend to glow bright blue while over time they take on a more reddish glow as they consume their fuel and cool. Astronomers did not expect to see old red stars in the ancient galaxy for which the James Webb Space Telescope was built, nor did they anticipate finding more massive galaxies that could be up to 1 billion times more massive than the Sun. These red dots revealed in the images captured by the James Webb Space Telescope appear to be 50 times more massive. Joya, the most massive galaxies in our sample, are estimated to have masses between 2 and 4 times less than that of the Milky Way. This discovery is remarkable given that galaxies as large as ours were located when the universe was only 3% of its present age. Leah also noted that before astronomers start rewriting cosmological theories to explain how these galaxies came together so quickly after the Big Bang, they'll need to make sure that the bizarre red dots they're looking at are not something else. But most alternative explanations would also require completely new concepts. For example, stars in the early universe could emit light in different ways due to a lack of heavy elements, which are not incorporated into our models. The images that revealed these perplexing galaxies were obtained by Webb's near-infrared camera as part of the Cosmic Evolution Early Release Science (SEWERS) program. The team plans to return soon to these galaxies and the Ram galaxy to obtain spectra of light from distant points. The spectra decompose the observed light according to its composition into wavelengths, thus revealing the chemical and physical properties of its source. Most importantly, the spectra provide very specific distances to these objects. The distance and identity of these objects are correlated, and if we understand the distance, we can pin down the identity and vice versa. Leah asserts that just 6 months after Webb's team made the first observations public, scientists are being forced to rewrite theories about the early universe. Observing the early universe for the first time led us to find something so unexpected that it poses problems for science in general because it calls into question the entire picture of early galaxy formation. Another remarkable photo captured by the James Webb Space Telescope shows the Ghost Galaxy, which appears like a whirlpool spinning before our eyes. This new photograph, based on deep space data, highlights the dust lanes of galaxy NGC 628, or M74. Called the perfect spiral due to its symmetry, the Ghost Galaxy is interesting from a scientific point of view due to the intermediate mass black hole that scientists believe is at its center. Although the Ghost Galaxy has been imaged numerous times, including by space observatories such as the Hubble Space Telescope and the Spitzer Space Telescope, the Webb images stand out due to the near-infrared range that revealed cosmic dust. Combined with the power of its unique 18-segment hexagonal mirror and its location in deep space, the James Webb Telescope is hailed as one of the most ambitious projects in space exploration. It continues to astound scientists with its exceptional capabilities and discoveries. Launched with a mission to unveil the deepest mysteries of the universe, Webb has not disappointed in its early observations. From capturing the complex details of distant galaxies to revealing previously unseen phenomena, Webb's contributions to astronomy are rewriting the textbooks of our understanding. One of the telescope's notable achievements is its ability to see deeper into space than any other instrument before it. By harnessing its advanced infrared technology and using a large 6.5-meter primary mirror, Webb can peer into regions of space that are obscured by dust and gas, opening up new possibilities for discoveries. The James Webb Space Telescope has enabled astronomers to look back in time and study the formation of the first galaxies. This has provided invaluable insights into how galaxies evolved over billions of years, shedding light on the processes that shaped the cosmos. Scientists have used Webb's powerful instruments to detect and analyze the light emitted by distant stars and galaxies, revealing details about their composition, age, and structure. These observations have deepened our understanding of the universe's history and offered new perspectives on its future. Webb has also played a critical role in the search for habitable planets beyond our solar system. By examining the atmospheres of exoplanets, scientists can determine their potential for hosting life. The telescope's sensitivity to infrared light allows it to detect the chemical signatures of various elements and compounds, providing clues about the presence of water, carbon, and other essential ingredients for life. This has sparked excitement among astronomers as they explore the possibilities of finding Earth-like planets in distant star systems. In addition to its contributions to the study of galaxies and exoplanets, the James Webb Space Telescope has also made significant advancements in our understanding of stellar evolution. By observing the birth and death of stars, Webb has provided valuable data on the life cycles of these celestial objects. The telescope's ability to capture detailed images of star-forming regions has revealed the intricate processes that lead to the formation of new stars. This information has expanded our knowledge of the complex interactions between gas, dust, and gravity that give rise to stellar nurseries. The James Webb Space Telescope continues to be a beacon of discovery and exploration. Its groundbreaking observations have revolutionized our understanding of the universe and opened up new frontiers in astronomy. As scientists analyze the data collected by Webb, they anticipate even more astonishing revelations that will reshape our understanding of the cosmos. The telescope's journey is just beginning, and its potential for uncovering the mysteries of the universe is limitless.